Did you know a zookeeper risked everything to expose animal abuse at one of America's most famous zoos? Marcus Chen had dreamed of working with animals his entire life. When he finally landed a job at the prestigious Riverside Zoo, he thought he'd made it. But within weeks, he witnessed something horrifying. Animals left without proper medical care, cramped in filthy enclosures, some barely alive. For months, he secretly recorded everything with his phone, knowing he could lose his career. The evidence was damning, but speaking up meant certain blacklisting from the industry. He reported it anyway. The investigation revealed widespread neglect, leading to mass firings and complete reform. Today, Marcus leads animal welfare programs nationwide. His courage transformed potential career suicide into becoming the voice animals desperately needed.